Miami announces the all-new Canva templates for Miami Realtors members. Where can you find these? Easily. Just visit miamirealtors.com/Canva or come to the search bar, type in Canva, and select the template page. Access free, ready-to-use Miami Realtors photo templates to expand your realtor marketing. Co-brand them with your photo, logo, and contact information. You can select from anything that's on this page, including I'm attending, Miami condo market, why Miami, feeder markets, wealth migration, and of course, more to come. How could you use these? Simply select the one you would like, have your Canva account already open, click through, select to edit template, and now start to navigate your Canva page. Click to upload. Upload your image if it's not already on your Canva. Select the photo you'd like to insert. And now you're ready to share. Join us soon for a new class featuring these Canva templates from Miami Realtors for you, our Miami members. Always more with Miami.